Hello, as you know, I'm Dr. Mark Bailey, and you're receiving this email and this video because you have signed up for corrective care. As you're aware, the goal of corrective care is not simply relief from the symptoms that drove you into our office, but we actually want to correct the underlying structural deviation from normal. And for you, this is about restoring the cervical curve. There are three things that we need to do in order to reach our goal. Number one, you need to keep your office visits as scheduled. Then we want to use the posture pump. And that's what this particular video is going to highlight. And we also want to do our exercises. So in this email, I've given you an additional link that will send you to a website that actually has videos of the exercises that I want you to do consistently. So know that you play the major role in making this happen. I'm going to be sure to do all that I can do during our office visits. But what I want you to do with this posture pump is to be consistent, as well as the exercises. Remember, consistency is the key to improvement. So we want to use force over time to restore the cervical curve. Now, this particular video is going to show you why the posture pump is so important for overall spinal health, but also to help restore the cervical curve. I'd like you to start by doing it at home for 3 to 5 minutes and then lengthen it. Obviously, more is better. Same thing with the exercises. We want you to be consistent and more is better, but we don't want you to be sore. So you've got to start slow and then build up your endurance and the time that you spend on the posture pump, as well as the number of sets and repetitions you do with the exercise. But I'm super excited and I'm looking forward to helping you restore that cervical curve.
One primary cause of pain and discomfort of the joints and muscles happens when nutrient-rich lubricating fluid is forced out of the discs as the neck and back lose their proper postural curves. As bones clamp down on the discs, the vital lubricating fluid cannot easily return. This common occurrence causes joints and discs to dry up, decay, and become painfully stiff. Posture pump products enhance and restore the essential curves, allowing rich lubricating fluid to re-enter the joints. As a neck loses its normal forward curve, the weight of the head shifts and locks forward, compressing the vertebra and discs, forcing bulging material toward the spinal cord and nerves. The posture pump disc hydrator gently but firmly lifts and decompresses the discs, drawing bulging material and rich lubricating fluid back into the discs as the normal forward curve is restored. Posture pump disc hydrators provide easy-to-use, deep corrective relief for painful neck and back stiffness, poor posture, headaches, and fatigue. Don't let your neck and back wear out before you do. Be flexible, stand taller, and look and feel younger with Posture Pump.
Please remember, you're going to get out of our time together what you put in. So I want you to be disciplined and get a regular schedule for your exercises and your posture pump use. God bless you. Have a great day.